Hey Bricksters and Lego friends, Twoloosebricks here with a bizarre yet another Lego find, and it's just stuff I've had around and I've never really reviewed it or looked at it, so now I'm going to check it out with you guys. Let's see what we got. Okay, so I have an iPhone case. Yeah, it was made for an iPhone 4, which is pretty much an older phone from back like in 2011, 2012. But anyway, this is like a silicone style flip case that just fits over your phone. It doesn't give it really much protection, but it is pretty cool because it looks like Lego bricks. And these little silicone pads pop off, so there's like a 2x2 and a 2x3, and you can put them wherever you feel like putting it on the back of the case, so you can play with it as you talk on your phone, I guess, if you want to. Now, the only thing I found wrong with it was the hole for the camera wasn't quite big enough, so I had to like take a little pair of scissors and cut it out, but I mean, that was okay. Worked fairly well. I only used it at a few conventions just to be kind of like, you know, cool walking around a convention with a Lego style case on your phone. I never use it in public or wherever I go because I have a nice hard protective case for my phone, and it's lasted all these years. I mean, have a good case for your phone, it's great. These are not very protective, but they are cool if you're in a convention and you just want to sort of, you know, go around and take pictures and show off your phone a little bit. It's pretty cool. So that's kind of neat. So that's kind of a bizarre find I found, and I got that, I believe, at a dollar store for like $2. So you can't go wrong. Now another thing I found, I got these at a Lego store, and I can't remember if it was the one in Florida, the one in Virginia, or maybe up in Boston. I can't remember. I've been to a bunch of them. It may have been even the New York one. That's about the only Lego stores I've been at. And it's a key cover. So you put your key down through here, and your key sticks out the end here. And, you know, it's like just a key cover. So you have to have a fairly big key, I guess, type of thing, a square-headed key for these, because they may not work very well if you don't. It might fall off or something, but I don't know, it might work. I don't think it would work for a car key, especially the new car keys now, since they're all got those little fobs and they're not really keys anymore. So that was an official Lego product from the Lego store, so it's kind of a silicone rubber thing, so that's pretty cool. Now this thing here, this is a wristband, and I did wear it to a convention, I think, just for fun. And it says Brickforge on it because I ordered it from Brickforge, and it's pretty cool. It's a pretty tough, and it's thick. I went and grabbed a minifigure here just to show you that when these guys molded these things, it's pretty neat because they actually will fit on the silicone. Well, pretty much sit on it. They sort of pop off, but it's meant to be that way, and I think it's kind of expanded over the years. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. I don't think they'll stay on there now fairly well. But anyway, you probably could when I first got it. I think I could. So, but it looks like bricks and studs, and it looks like a brick bracelet, and it's got the studs on it, so it's pretty neat. Of course, it's got their name on it because that's where it came from. So I think I paid like a couple bucks from Brickforge for that. So that was a unique find. So just wanted to share these little silicone unique finds with you. Besides, there's other ones like the cookie and cake trays and that. So I mean, they're not really as bizarre as these things because these things are more rare, I guess you could say, than those ones. So I just want to share them with you, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell so you'll know of our future endeavors and uploads to our channel, and I will talk to you guys again very shortly in another video.